Okay, but please sky bhi hoy to please.
Oh, okay.
Without exercise, no pakao time.
Yeah,
Okay.
workout time we will talk about that.
Oh, I see. Okay.
You have to go a little
Thank
fast.
you.
Everybody,
Thank you.
keep your paper pen ready, but not now during pakao time. So ready? Let's march.
Everybody muted.
Oh, mute. Everybody, please mute. And everybody, let's lock your left nostril and breathe in with the right. थोड़ा faster march करो. So हाँ अजय, please थोड़ा जल्दी march करेंगे. Now open up your hip joint. When you open up, pause and then come down because body is still warming up, right? Pause. Very good. Breathing right. Very good. Good job. Come back. And now let's do hormonal balance. Everybody knows the hormonal balance now. Impressive. This is very important. And let's do a hip roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center, left side. 1, 2. Are you feeling it? Make sure you feel that hip roll. 4, 5, and stop. Keep the hormonal balance going. Make a balloon and let's warm up our cervical joint by rotating our neck to the right, left. The mouth has a big balloon. Big balloon. Last one. And come back to the center. Very good. Let's make a dolphin face. I hope you guys are seeing some changes on your face. And hold your knee and extend it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let one hand go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come down. Find a spot on the floor. Hold your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Now let's do our calf raises to activate our lymph nodes and give a stretch. While we are doing that, let's do shoulder rotation together. And again, you can continue with your dolphin face. Little more dolphin face. 4, 5. Stop. Reverse. Dolphin face continues. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. Let's quickly find a balance and do a tree pose. Ashaji, I love your pants. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back. Find a spot. Look at that spot. Don't look at me. And find your balance on your left side. You can keep it for prayer hands. One hand up or 2 hands. 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly come down. Very good. Let's start with Surya Namaskar. We'll come back to Baba Ramdev. So come at the edge. Surya Namaskar is whole body workout. So we are, before that, let's warm up. Let's give me a small squat. Squat down. Now don't lift up your leg. Just shake it. And let's activate our hands. Very important. Clap. 3, 4, 5, and smile. 6, 7, 9. Atak gayi, Surya, atak gayi, 10. I'm saying. This is what I'm going to talk about. We have to keep our heart rate going up. Come at the edge of the mat. I'll come in the center so you can see me. Everybody knows certain position, we hold it for 10 counts. Ready? Namaste, squeeze your knees. Monday, I have a workout plan for all our menopausal women. So it's very important that you attend the class. Ready? And then come to Hasta Uttanasana. Bicep touching the ears. Look up, hip forward. 1, 2, very gracefully. Without bending your knees, come to Padahastana. 1, 2, right leg back. Look up. 1, 2. This is called Ashwa Sanchalana. Come to a plank. See if you're first come this way. Now your hands underneath your shoulders and lift up your knees and hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7. Squeeze your glutes. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Drop your knees. Flip your feet. Chin and chest to the mat. Ashtangana, Chaturanga. Elbows back. 1, 2. Straighten yourself. And now, come on up. This is very, very good for your lower back. You're going to hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly getting ready for Parvatasana. That is downward facing dog. So you come on down, hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Slowly bring your right leg forward. Look up. 1, 2. Back to Padahastana. Toes and fingers are touching each other. 1, 2. Slowly coming up. 1 vertebrae at a time. And hip forward. 1, 2. And slowly release it. Very good. Back to Namaste. Squeezing those glutes. Even for that microsecond, squeeze those glutes. 1, 2. Bicep touching the ears. 1, 2. Slowly coming down. 1, 2. Right leg back, left leg forward. Look up. 1, 2. Back to a plank. Very important in plank. Your hands are underneath your shoulders, so take your time. Now squeeze those glutes. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ashtangana. Chin and chest to the mat. Elbows back. 1, 2. Straighten up yourself. Come to a cobra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly coming to downward facing dog. Very good. Slowly come up on your toes, lift up your heels and go down again. Heels up, down. Heels up, down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Right leg forward. Look up. 1, 2, and slowly back to 1, 2. Slowly come on up. Hip forward. Squeeze those glutes. 1, 2, and slowly release it. Very good. Second set, everything 2 counts. Ready, ladies? First, I want you to focus on squeezing those knees. 1, 2, Hastangana. 1, 2, Padahastana. 1, 2, Ashwa Sanchalana. Right leg back. 1, 2, come to a plank. Ardha Mukha Asana. 1, 2, drop it. Chaturanga. Elbows back. 1, 2. Bhujangasana. 1, 2. Parvatasana. 1, 2. Right leg forward. 1, 2. Back to Padahastana Asana. 1, 2. Slowly come on up to Hasta Uttanasana. 1, 2. And slowly release it. Back again. Squeezing those knees. Ready? 1, 2. Slowly come on down. See how far can you go without bending your knees. 1, 2. Right leg back, left leg forward. Look up. 1, 2. Come to a plank. 1, 2. Drop your knees. Chaturanga. 1, 2. Slowly cobra. 1, 2. Downward facing dog. 1, 2. Right leg forward. 1, 2. Back to Padahastana. 1, 2. Slowly coming up. Hip forward. Squeeze the glutes. 1, 2. Why do we squeeze the glutes? Come back to Namaste so that the pressure doesn't go on your lower back because you're bringing the hip forward, right? So then what happens? The back arches. But if you squeeze the glutes, the pressure is released. Very good. Thank you, ladies. And let's start with our Surya Namaskar. The Surya Namaskar is done. Baba Ramdev. Again, still now we're working on our abs. Interlock your hands. Legs are more than hip width apart. Ready? Leaning on the right. Find your position. Slowly come back up. Leaning on the left. And slowly come back up. Ready? 30 counts. Right. Left. Right. Left. 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a warm-up, so don't go too low. But what you can do is, see if your
Hello, mummy.
biceps are touching
तो
your
कभी अदिति को ड्रॉप करके आए वहां पे
cheeks. Continue. I will mute everybody. So again, a strong request. Please mute yourself so that way I don't have to leave the class and come up. I lost my count now. I'm assuming we did 15 and next 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Last 20. Now you can go a little lower. Challenge yourself. Challenge yourself. Very good. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Other side, finish it. And slowly come back up. Legs are still hip width apart. Airplane arms, lean forward. No need to look at me. You all know 10 toes, 10 pinky, and 10 full rotation to the ankle. I'm not looking at you. Lean forward. Ready? Let's go. Touch the big toe. Right, left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Touch pinky. Make a conscious effort to rotate towards your pinky. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Full rotation towards behind your ankle. All the way behind your ankle. Very good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, stay down, interlock your hands. Let's scoop it. Swing your hands. Swing your hands in and out between your legs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly bending your knees, one vertebrae at a time, and slowly coming up. Very good, very good. grab one weight. Just one weight. Left hand behind your head. Right hand has the weight. Hands, your feet are normal, hip width apart, not too wide, just a normal. Now, touch this weight on near your thighs. And let it roll, let it roll, let it roll. Stop wherever you can. This is where you need to go. This is your B. Now only tiny bit come up. Come up, that's your A. And this will be your B. Are you feeling it here? Touch it. This is where yes, good. I got the yes. Very good. Okay, come back to A. And ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and last 1. Slowly come on back up. Switch. Ready? Go all the way down. See how far can you go? Go, 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 go. Still more, still more. Stop. Stop. Are you feeling it? Are you feeling it? That's what I want. And come tiny bit up only. The challenge is to go all the way down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 5. Don't make a big move. It's a micro move. Micro move. Very micro move. Very good. 2. Last 1. Slowly come back up. Very good. Now give me a soft march. Give me a soft march. And let's get ready and grab your weights. You don't have to grab your weights, only if you want to grab your weights on this one. But in my today's explanation on our weight loss, it's very important to do some weights. So elbows are floating. Are your elbows floating? Are your elbows wide? If your elbows are wide, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Now, almost touch one weight on your eyes. Touch it on your eyes, touch the other one on your eyes. Now, let go, but keep the distance only here. Keep it here only. Everybody got it? Okay, now start marching. Just hold it for now. Hold it. Very good. Can you march a little higher? Very good. Are you marching? Now, all I want to do is, I want you to touch your elbow. Try to touch your elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring your hands a little higher, Usha Ben. Usha, very good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more, 9 more, 9 more, 8 more, 7, 6, 5. Don't let it go. Don't go this way. Don't let the posture go. Usha bin, bahut dur nahi jao. Bar andar aj raho. Yes. Yes. Last 5. Perfect, Manini Ben. 4. I'm with you, Harshna Ben. Come on. 2 and 1. Slowly drop it. Why? It is the last count where it's a game changer. When you feel you cannot do it, that means your muscle is telling you, oh, the fat is burning. That is what happens. So that's when the game changer is. Okay, drop your weights for now. And all we are doing is, it's called a grapevine. If you don't know what a grapevine is, just follow me. All we are doing is walk, and kick your left leg. Then walk, right hand. All the yoga mat, all the way to the yoga mat, and left kick. Walk, right kick. Walk, left. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Left. 1, 2. right, 1, 2, left, 1, 2, right. Very good. Very good. You got it. You got it. Now, come back to the center. Now go grab your weights. Only if you want to. We're going to do the same thing, but pay attention. When you kick, you go like this. See, when you kick, your arms are going with the weight. So pretend you're kicking back. Kicking back. Got it? Let's go. Start over here. Right. Let's go to the right. Kick. Left. Right leg kick. Right. Kick. Everybody got it? Very good. Yes. Good job, Mickey. Mickey, ठीक ही जा रही हो. एकदम ठीक हो रहा है. Kick. Very good. This is called a grapevine. Very good. Nice. Good job. 2 more. Very good. Last 2. Last 1. Very good. Meet me in the center. Now, pay attention. You know how we do the running arms where we are going on your mark, get set, go? That's exactly I want you to first stand. Stand as if you're getting ready for a race. So see how I'm leaning myself a little forward and my hands are right here because I'm going to go on your mark, get set, go. But this time, wait. Don't do the arms. This time, put all your weight on your front leg and lift up your back leg. Can you lift up your back leg? Very good. If you cannot, you can just bring it down and only the big toe can rest. But try not to. And now let's go. Let's go. Very good. We're balancing and we are doing running arms. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, don't look at me. Find a spot and look at just that spot only. 9, 10, 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back. Good job. We're getting stronger and stronger. Now, do not look at me. Lean forward, find a spot on the ground. And then lift up the left leg. Left leg is up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bend your right knee a little bit. 8, 9, 10. Oh my God. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and last 1. Very good. Very good. It's a little challenging, right? Because we are not used to doing that. Good job. Now, what we are doing is, remember we do crisscross? Now, do we do crisscross high? Absolutely not. Right in front of your chest. We do crisscross. Everybody knows how to do the crisscross? So, now, lift up one knee. Just tiny bit, lift up your knee. Now do the crisscross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, 2, and last 1. Very good. I have no words to tell you how proud I am of you guys. This is very, very intermediate level. Find a spot. Lift up your knees. Arms are straight. This is going to be challenging. For this, if you need to bend your right knee a little bit, bend your right knee. Okay? Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 more. This is it. Last 3, 2, and last 1. Very good. Good job. Can we drop our weights for a second? And what are we going to do? We're going to roll our shoulders. 1. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very good. 3, 4, and 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. What are we going to do? We are going to do a sumo squat. When I say a sumo squat, legs are more than hip width apart, but the feet are facing outside. So, and now come down. Come down. Come down. And then when you come up like this. Then you come down. You come up like this. Very good. So hands on your hips, on your waist. Come down. First, let's warm with sumo squat. But where is your spine? Are you leaning forward? Absolutely not. Are you leaning backwards? Absolutely not. Straight line. There's a string attached. And you're going straight up and down. See if you can bring your leg further more back, further more out. Little more wider. So that way you know. Okay. Chandrabala Ben, thoda pachad jao, upper body. Little bit back. Go back a little bit. Okay. 1, 2. Hands up, everybody. Above your heart rate. 4, 5. No rush, no rush. Warming it up only. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Now come back on your waist. We come down, and then we come up. Down, up, down, up. Very good. Good job. Nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. And 10. Very good. Good job. March it. Let's do some bicep and some tricep. Grab your weights. We're going to do some hammer curls. For hammer curls, look at where I am. Look at my side. Can you see? Letter L. And all I'm doing is lifting it straight. My weights are like this. All I'm doing is lifting it straight. Not going all the way up and down, just half. Let's do all the way up and down. All the way up is to your shoulders, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, don't lean forward, stand straight. Thighs together. Are your thighs together? As soon as your thighs are together, send all your focus squeezing those glutes. Why? Because the hands are in autopilot. Still, now stop here. Stop in the center. Stop in the center. Very good. Now, tiny move. 1, 2. Still smaller. Still smaller. See how small can you go? Micro. Micro. 5, 6, 7, 8. Squeeze your glutes. Squeeze your glute. Now stop in the center. Now, imagine you're pushing it down. Micro pushing it down. Not all the way. Not all the way, Naina Ben. Not all the way. Still smaller. Hajun Nanu Karo. Very good, Arshna Ben. Perfect. Perfect, Bhavna Ben. Beautiful. Beautiful. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bring it out. Flip it. Now lift it up. 1. Small moves again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you brought it up. Now let's push it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold this over here. Hold the left hand. Hold the left hand. And only this one goes. 1, 2, 3. No rush. No rush. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Hold it in the center. Now let's go to the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bring it in the middle. Bring it in the center. Bring it in the center. And I'm going only 1 inch up and down. 1 inch. Very nicely. Beautiful. Don't drop it no matter what. Don't drop your arms. Very good. Are you feeling it? Are you feeling the bicep? I hope you are. Okay. 10 more. 10 more. 9, 8. Remember, focus is only squeezing the glutes. Again, send your focus to squeeze the glutes and squeeze your stomach. Arms are on autopilot. Biceps are on autopilot. Beautiful. I'm so excited to hear Meenal Gandhi is going to sing a very, very beautiful, heart-touching Bollywood song. So anybody who is a good singer, who would like to sing, any talent you have, please let me know. This class is just not for me. I will conduct the class, but it's for all of you. Slowly let it go. Let it go. Now, all I want you to do is fold your bicep and just feel it. Touch it, press it like that. Are you feeling it? Thoda bahut feel hua? Very good, very good. Now, if you are carrying 1 or 2 pounds, take both the weights in the same hand. Take both the weights in the same hand, bring it back. See how back I am? Look at it. Now, with the other hand, grab your tricep. Why? Because you want to keep it closer to your ears. So grab it. Now, go all the way down, all the way up. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Very good. 4. Squeeze the glutes again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Meet me down. Hold it, don't give up. I'm with you. Now push it down. You can, if you feel both the weights are too strong for you, switch it to only one weight. 1, push it down. Pushing it down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come all the way up. Come all the way down. All the way up, all the way down. I promise you, we're done. I'm with you, Malini Ben, don't worry. And last 5, I promise you, last 5, 4, 3, 2, and last 1. Slowly let it go. Ooh, I loved it. That was a good one. Good job. Again, because you did in the beginning with 2 weights, Malini Ben, make sure you do some with 2 weights also. We'll stretch it out. Don't worry. Okay. Very important for the other hand to hold it and bring it closer to you. Very important. Don't let the other hand float. All the way down, up. 2. Straight arm. It's important that you go all the way straight, okay? That's when the tricep comes. That's when the tricep gets stronger. Remember, as I said, that we use our bicep by holding our laundry basket, holding groceries, but we do not have any kind of work in our daily life to strengthen our tricep. So we need to make conscious effort. So the trick is to straighten your arm. 10, 5, 4, 3, 2. Meet me down. Push it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is it. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way up, all the way down. Come on. Oh, this is when the change happens. 4, 5. I promise you, last 5 only. 5, 4. This is it. 3, only 2, and only 1. Very good. Drop those pesky weights and be proud of yourself. First, let's bicep stretch. So hold it. See if you can close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and when you exhale, send it to your bicep. Ready? Deep breath in. Sending it to your bicep. Very good. Switch. I'm trying to now control our breath, and we control it where it needs to go. So now, again, visualizing your bicep. Eyes are closed. Deep breath in. Very good. Now, for tricep stretch, again, take it back. Hold your elbow. Hold your elbow. Now, as soon as you hold your elbow, push it back. Push your elbow back. Feel the stretch. Now see if you can look up. Look up. Lean a little bit and look up. Bring your elbow a little back. Mickey, और थोड़ा पीछे लो elbow को. Opposite, opposite. Yeah, very good. Slowly come on up. Now again, right hand holding the left elbow and pushing the left elbow back. See, my hand is over my head, behind. Now, just stretch it first. Stretch it. Now, lean towards your right and go up on your left side. Very good. Slowly come back. Ready for the planks? Okay. Today's plank, we are going to do Shashtang Namaskar. You all know what Shashtang Namaskar is? When we go to the temple, when we go to Tirupati, we see people doing Namaskar with completely sleeping, right? So today, walking plank, once we go down, we do Shashtang Namaskar, we walk back and we stand up again. So, edge of your mat, ready? I'm touching, going down, passing my knees, passing my shin, and going, walking towards the elbow. Walk, 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 walk. Once you're here, drop yourself. Totally drop yourself. Hands in the front. Do namaste. Forehead resting your mat. And then again come back. Come back on your side. Lift up yourself and walk back. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the way up. Take your time. No rush. We'll get used to it. Thank you very much. I'm so proud of you, Naina Bora. Very proud of you. Chandrawala Ben, I'm proud of you. Everybody again, knees, shin, toes. Walk, 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 walk. Drop your body. Bring your hands in the front. Do the prayer hands, forehead resting, and do a namaste. And then bring your hands right next to your chest. Lift yourself up in a plank. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly coming up. Take your time, take your time. Can you all do it? Is it okay to do it? Thumbs up? Okay, okay, okay. I don't want to push myself. Anything you cannot, listen to your body. Again, let's go down. See, my back is absolutely straight. You can put a teacup on my back. The back has to be this straight. Now my hands are walking. Walk, 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 walk straight. Drop your legs. Your hands, Shashtang Namaste. And slowly come back up. Pull yourself in a plank and then walk back. 1, 2, 3, 4. And slowly come on up. We have only 2 more times, so that will make us 5 Shashtang Namaskar. Ready? Again, when I'm going down, my back is so flat that you can put a teacup. Then you're walking. Walk. 2, 3, 4. You're in a plank. Drop your knees. And your forehead to the mat. Namaste. Slowly coming back. Hands on the side. And then lift up yourself in a plank. Walk back. 2, 3, 4. Toes to shin, to knees, to thighs, and all the way up. Wow. Last time, I promise you. Last time. Come on down. Walk yourself. Walk, 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 walk. Again, plank. Drop your knees. Forehead to the mat. Namaste. Slowly come back on the side. Come to a plank. Walk back, walk back, walk back. Toes to shin, to knees. And once you are done, take your right hand over your left shoulder and pat yourself. And be proud of yourself. Kya baat hai? Kya baat hai, right? Very good, very good. Now, today I want you to be on your stomach. You can see me. Come on your stomach. We're going to do few exercises to strengthen our back. So, we are on our stomach. Legs are rested. Hands are up like this, on top of each other or interlocked, and to the forehead. So I'm going to do it this way so you can see me. So like this. Relax. Now all I want you to do is lift up your forehead like this. Look at me and then come down. Not too high. No matter what, do not arch your back. See, like this. Down, up, down, up. Got it, everybody? Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, very small move, very small move. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it up, hold it, just hold it. Not too high, okay? Do not arch your back. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly drop it. Drop it, relax, relax. Now, while your forehead is relaxing, let's do flutter legs with our legs up and down. That's it. Up and down. Can we do that? Head is resting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and slowly come down. Now, let's do it both together. How are we going to do both together? The forehead comes up and both the legs come up. Okay? So, first rest the forehead. Now, lift up the forehead with the leg. And then slowly come down. Lift up the legs and forehead and down. Up, down. Not too high, not too high. 5. Last 5. 4. 3. 2. Last 1. Slowly let it go. Very good. Come in a child's pose. Why don't you all come in a child's pose? Ready? And now. Everybody knows how to come in a child's pose, right? Okay, good job. Nice child's pose. Relax. Very good. Good job. Now, please, can you bring your weights next to you? We are going to do some more tricep. So, a towel, if you need one, behind your neck, and a towel on your waistline. Now grab your weights and can you see my L? See, I'm making an L shape. And bring both your weights over your eyes. Let it rest over your eyes. So this is the shape I want. Now go up and come back almost to your eyes. Up, come back almost to your eyes. And when you go up, do not straighten up your arm. Do not straighten up your arm. Only 2 inches up, down, up, down, up. This is called skull presses, skull presses. It works your tricep. Very good. Nice. Smile. Do not straighten up your elbows. Nice. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. These are all tricep extensions. Very good. Very good. I hope you're feeling it because we already warmed up our tricep. And now bring it all the way down. I mean, almost closer to your eyes and only 1 inch up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly let it go. Slowly let it go. Now, bring both your hands underneath your glutes. Legs are straight. And let's warm it up by swinging it to 90 degrees and coming down. swing and down, swing and down. Come back up to 90 degrees. Very good. Up, down, up, down. See if you can bring it more closer to your forehead. Very nice. We're making it flexible. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and last 1. Slowly come down. Oh gosh, someone's microphone is still on. Okay. Let me mute. Take a deep breath till then. And now, after that, let's do circles today. Okay, ready everybody? Straighten up your leg, right leg up, cross it over your left thigh and make a big round circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're grinding our lower abdomen. 6, 7. Point your toes. 8, 9, and 10. Freeze. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 5, 4, 3, and last 2, and 1. And slowly bring it down. Very good. Now, left leg over your right thigh. And every time you make sure, start your circle. Make sure you're crossing your right thigh. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Bring both the knees together. Give them a hug. Side to side hug. Now spread both the knees out. Now swing it side to side also. Swing it side to side. Very good. Very good. Come back to bend your knees. Bend your knees. And let's do cycling. Cycling. But when I come out, see how my leg is straight? See how my leg is straight? That's what I want. I don't want it up like this. I don't want it up like this. So look at it. Look, everybody look at it. When I come out, I'm going straight. Straight. I don't want it like this. No, that's not, then don't do it. Because that's not going to, it's only a momentum. You don't want momentum. You want it to actually work. We're stretching ourselves. We're leaning ourselves when we straighten ourselves out. 3, 4. Much better. Very good. 5, 6, 7. Asha Dadaji, no, when you straighten up, knees ekdam bend mat karna. Ekdam straight. Try again. Ye baat hui na. See, I can see you guys. And slowly come back. Again, give a knee hug. Very good. Good job. Good job. Drop your knees. We are running over time. So you know what? Swing yourself up. Swing yourself up. Very important to do Chakrasana. So if you have the weights next to you, let's grab one weight. And towards the right, thighs are connected, knees are connected, big toes are connected too. Ready? Let's go. Hold it like this, straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do not bend your elbows no matter what. 5. Do a smaller circle, no problem. But don't bend your elbows. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Come on back up. Spine is straight. Weights are still in our hand. Hands are straight. Left side. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Good job. And let's sit straight first for a minute and give yourself a big, big stretch. Go in for just hug yourself. Hug yourself. Nice. Smile. Did you smile today? Did I smile today? Maybe. I don't remember smiling. Oh yeah, I did when I was talking to on the phone. Switch. But I didn't smile with you. So I need to smile. We all need to smile. Did you smile with me today? Can you smile? Nice. Mr. Rogers says, would you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be my Zoom neighbor? Right. Ready for our squat? Sorry if I get carried away. Squat is there. Everybody's getting so stronger. Dipali Kothari. Taro face to batao koi bar. From Bombay, from Mumbai. Turn your camera on. I want to see you. Very good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Time is coming closer. All I want you to do is, in case if you need a paper and a pen, bring it with you. If not, I am recording the class and I promise you by Monday, not before that, because my son-in-law is very busy this weekend. We are busy. But by Monday, I will post the recording. Slowly let it go. And let's do our butterfly. And I feel I'm getting stronger on my butterflies also. But the key thing is, bring your spine straight. Very good, Dipti ji. Perfect spine. And let's swing it. Very nice. Good job. People who are doing butterfly with me for a while, see if you can push it a little more lower also. Oh my God, Asha Daga ji, आपका butterfly तो perfect है. क्या बात है? Absolutely perfect. Last 5, 4, 3. I am 4 minutes late for my Pakao time. So slowly come on back. TGIF in US. So it's okay. Thank you all for coming. I appreciate it. Ready, ladies? If you don't want to write, don't write anything. Just stick to me and understand what I'm trying to say. And it's nothing that, don't expect any magic. You know each and everything. Trust me. All I'm doing is in formatting. Now, once we do that, most of you all know that I only do this program once a year. So if you are interested in the program, text it on the group only. So that way I'll create a private group. And again, it's a very limited amount of group, so I cannot take too many people because each and every one will be answerable to me. Now, again, as I said, don't expect magic to it, but let's understand this theory. Okay. So let's start with our baseline of understanding. Very baseline is calories intake, correct? Calories out. Calories intake with the mouth, calories out with exercise and with our movement. Start giving me thumbs up. Basic samajh aa gaya. Correct? Now, how do we beat this system? 20 years, I'm giving you just again a thing. For last 20 years, we have collected only calories. But jitni calories 20 years mein collect ki hai, that much we haven't used it. So they all have turned into fat deposit. Theek? Thumbs up so far. What is the trick now? What do we need to do? Calories intake has to be less and calorie burning has to be more. Again, everybody knows that. We all know that less calories and more burn. Made sense? Okay. Now, imagine you are, I'm coming to the 70s also. Again, I'm just taking a broad form. I haven't seen you all, so I don't know your age range. I'll give you 2 platforms for the age range. Imagine you are between the age of 50 and 60. Thumbs up? Thumbs up. Rest of the group, imagine you are 70 and above. Thumbs up, 70 and above. Okay. So first category, between the age of 50 and 60. Pay attention. Pay attention. What has happened to us? Of course, this happens to, we all are falling in it. 50, 60, 70. What has happened to us? As we age, what happens? Our metabolism slows down. Do we all know that? Thumbs up? Correct. Metabolism has slowed down. Then muscle mass. We are losing our muscle mass. Correct? And the biggest kicker, menopause kicked in. Correct? Very good. What happens when the menopause kicks in? Lack of estrogen. As soon as the estrogen is lack, what happens? This leads the shift of fat into our midsection, into our stomach. Are you with me so far? Are you one of them? Correct? Understood this much? So this is nothing, no scientist. We just have to now, we have the maturity to understand and to attack it in a smarter way. So we are in a big loss. Age, muscle loss, menopause kicked in, and metabolism slowed down. Now, pay attention now. So, how many calories should we eat between the age of 50 to 60? Pay attention. You have to eat between 1800 to 2000 calories. Got it? 1800 to 2000 calories. Stick over there. Between the age of 70 and above, 2000 calories to 1600 calories. I'm being generous. Understood so far? So you know how much calorie according to your age you have to eat. So now, again, we go back to our baseline of our calorie intake. My calorie intake, for example, is between 2000 to 1800. Now, I want to lose weight or I want to lose inches also. Here are the few tools. Now comes the kicker. Again, no magic. We all know this. What we need to do, the trick is, instead of we taking that 2000 calories or 1800 calories, we are going to cut down only 300 calories. We are consciously going to cut down only 300 calories. I know I'm working with a lot of numbers, but it will all make sense and I'm with you. So all I want you to do is cut down how many calories? Only 300. Okay, so 300 calories deficit. Theek hua? Now, with that, I 100% want a commitment of 5 to 6 days of exercise. As I said, I do this program only once a year and hoping that you find that. So how are we going to do this program? We are going to do this program for 5 to 6 days, no matter what. 10,000 steps, no matter what. After that 10,000 steps, plus 3 days of exercise with me. Possible? Possible? Feasible. So now I will start making the slowly sense. Because with my workout, we are doing muscle weights also.
So I'm strengthening up the weights, muscles also, but we're not using big weights. So we're not bulking up. Now, pay attention. Diet, so we cut down 300 calories. That 300 calories what is it? That's a big shift, right? It's a big shift. This is not, so you're not going to be deprived by it. So now my calculation is coming. Remember, average, let's say in my average class, you are burning 600 calories. I'm giving you very minimum. I'm thinking between 300 to 600 calories. Okay. So any kind of moderate exercise, let's say we are burning 300 calories. 300 calories we burned and 300 calories we ate less. That is equal to 600 calories. Possible? Now, what we are going to do is, with my workout, the days you work out with me, there is 300 more calories burned. 10,000 steps is equal to 300 calories burned. And my workout is equal to another 300 calories. 600 calories and 300 calories from your diet. What do we have? 900 calories. Now we're going to do, we're calculating it. I've done all my homework, so stick with me. But instead of 900 calories, I am going to give you an average baseline of 700 calories. Between the diet and between the exercise, we burn 700 calories. And I'm only taking 5 days, even though you're going to do 6 days. I'm being conservative. So 700 calories times 5 days of workout is equal to 3,500 calories a week.
35.
Anything above you do, bonus. 3,500 calories is equal to 1 pound loss a week. Can we manage it? Can we manage it? Yes, we not only will be able to manage, I know you will go above and beyond. And you will be able to burn more and you will do beyond. But I'm babying you. I'm babying you. Now, what are we doing? When we do our exercise, the more heart rate comes up, right? Even when you're walking, go fast and then you can slow down. What is happening? When the heart rate is going up, you know what? Energy needs, it will go to that fat. When it goes to that fat, it is burning the calories. Okay? So far, you know how to get those 700 calories burned. Now, real quickly, we will go through a small examples of diet. What we need to do. But don't ask me stupid questions. We are all old enough. We have to make our own judgment. Ki kya khana hai? I'm just giving you an example. Don't text me ki, do I eat this? Do I this? I'm not a doctor. I'm just not a dietitian also. So by now, we all are Google babies. Now, with this, I am hoping we'll all do intermittent fasting. Thumbs up for intermittent fasting. Excellent. So 8 o'clock, dinner is done. Because of my workout, I have to count it as 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, dinner is done. When do you open up your fast? According to that. What is it? 8 to 8, 16 hours. 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. Okay? First thing, pay attention now. First thing we need to do is we have to open up our fast with a detoxifying drink. Again, we all know that. Most of you are following that with the jeera pani. Everybody knows how to do the jeera pani. You can take more than 1 teaspoon also. I'll really quickly tell you, do not ask me again. As much as you want, take 2 teaspoon, 3 teaspoon, soak it overnight with 2 to 3 glasses of water, depends on your teaspoon. 1 teaspoon is equal to 2 cups of soaking. So according to that, after the soaking is done, next day, when you boil it, make it into 1 cup. 1 cup. Drink it. Detoxifying drink. Remember, after that, I always say, eat soaked methi for your joints. So as much as you can. 1 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon, anything. After that, we all drink our lemon, ginger, water. You can add honey. You don't want to add honey, it's up to you. Or if you're in a rush, you're in a work, green tea, equal. Did we do that? So, very important to the detoxifying drink. Correct? Now comes that now you feel, oh, now maybe you're hungry, or maybe you can stall it. Key thing is less calorie intake, no matter what. Do not worry about that window of eating. The less calorie intake, the more you will lose weight. But I want you to do it in a way of life, so that way you can continue all throughout your life. Now, I strongly, strongly recommend you at least 3 days, minimum 3 days a week. After all those drink, break your fast with green juice. So what I do is I take spinach in the Ziploc bag, tulsi, mint, green tea, ginger, cilantro, celery, whatever you want. What all green teas, I bag it or you box it and I keep it for 3 days. Then all I do is dump it in and I add a lot of lemon. And I also add kala namak. Kala namak is called black salt. Black salt, right? So I love that. It's up to you. You decide. Don't ask me again. So break your fast every day with green juice. Excellent. But minimum 3 days with green juice. So what am I doing? I'm getting your fibers. So I'm making sure your bowel movement is also going. Very key thing in this is a bowel movement. You have a problem with bowel movement? Privately call me. We'll figure this out together. And everybody knows to take Isabgol. Remember I talked about psyllium husk? Bowel movement problem, take psyllium husk. Now comes your time. By this time, maybe you are what? 1 o'clock. Green juice can really fill you in. So maybe you're at 2 o'clock. You decide. You decide your intake. Now, whatever your intake, I'm pretending it's lunchtime. Make yogurt your best friend. If you're vegan, I don't know, but I personally like yogurt. So make yogurt your best friend. 1 cup of yogurt and a sensible meal. In your sensible meal, I'm throwing you a few examples. Plan it accordingly, write it down and follow it. It could be steamed idli with oats. Oats, bulgur, wherever you want to throw, flaxseed, these are all unsaid. Just add it to it. Steamed dokla, steamed muthia, steamed chilla. Mickey, chilla, मूंग की दाल के चिल्ले बना दो. And or आपकी लिट्टी चोखा, I don't know, banana mat. But oats pancake, lots of veggie. If you're eating eggs, replace it with eggs. And make lots of pudina chutney. And replace it. So these are approximate. Trying to go with the steam food. Correct? Now comes, let's say, around 3-4 o'clock. Before even your stomach says, okay, are you hungry? Give a 2-hour gap with your eating. So that way, now, my favorite thing, I do not care whatever people say, fruits, yehi khana chahiye, doesn't matter. The reason I want you to eat fruit is because it has a lot of antioxidant. This is where we need our antioxidant because the oxygen cells are closing. Alzheimer's, dementia, oxygen, lack of estrogen. Doesn't matter. Even if you want to eat at midnight fruits, I don't care. Because I know that that is good calories, good sugar, and you will burn it out. So don't worry about it. In moderation, but try to eat. So again, coming back to, let's say 3-4 o'clock, you feel a little hungry. Definitely, I want you to eat nuts, more preferably soaked nuts, more preferably almonds and walnuts. We all know that. Need something crunchy? Cut the cucumber, bag it, box it, so you know that, nimak dala, chaat masala dala, yummy. Tomatoes, add it. Why do we need all this? We need to plan it. So take your Saturday, take your Sunday, box everything up, bag your green juice, so you know what to grab. You know, of course, I love cheese string. Cheese string has 0 calories and it has a lot of protein. Grab a cheese string, no problem. Sweet craving, my biggest weakness is sweet. Take whatever you want to eat. I'm not going to get into the nitty gritty. Now comes the dinner part. Dinner part is again high preference of yogurt if you guys want. 1 cup dal. I cannot tell you to eat something which is not going to satisfy you. Then you will never finish it. You will never follow it. So don't do that. But take that 1 cup dal and put your big pan somewhere else, because that's the only dal you can eat. Make it thick. Tadka laga do thoda. 1 cup dal, 1 cup of vegetable. I prefer roti over rice, but if you're a rice eater, maybe you need to treat yourself twice a week with rice. Why do I say roti? Look at one kicker. Roti is very slow for digestion. So when you eat the roti, it is going to digest it very slow. The slower it digests, the longer you feel you are full. So I prefer roti over rice. And it's very important that you have a satisfying meal. Now, don't want to make that? Make your khichdi with lots of dal, either with oats, either with bulgur, and throw in vegetables. So if you're a khichdi eater, then satisfy yourself with khichdi. How are you going to eat your khichdi? With a big tall glass of salted lassi. It is called chas. I'm not saying anything new. Only thing is what we are doing, we are planning it. So your homework is going to be, you are going to show me your 1 week of calendar. Take a proper picture. Plan it. You have Saturday, Sunday. Let's plan it. Only 1 week, Monday to Friday. Plan your each and every meal. So when you know that's the only thing you're going to put in mouth. Look at your fridge. Bring your groceries, whatever it is. Very important is that a lot of people do not eat carbs at night. But my science is saying that when we are resting, our body cells, they're all recycling when we are resting. So to recycle the cells and to balance the growing of our tissues, you know what they need? They need some carb. So it is important that you have satisfying carbs, which satisfies you. So very, very simple. We are going to cut down and watch out on our food and up our exercise. Does it make sense? Did it make sense to you all? Yes? Okay. If you sign up, you need to weigh yourself. You need to have all your inches. I don't need to know. It's only for your private. I stick and I weigh myself and I stick my inches in my bathroom. And I write down the date of that year. So that way I follow it. And don't be hard on yourself. I am with you. We will do it together. Even if you lose in 1 week, 1/2 pound, that's okay. Maybe you haven't lost pound. So the body is not ready to that. You made a shift. That is what is important. Last time when we did it, Harshna Ben, last year when we did it, that's how Malini Ben started. Malini Ben is one of the ladies in our group. And how many pounds so far, Malini Ben? What's the score?
55.
55 pounds. I didn't do it. It's all our mental strength. And we're going to go together with it. Weigh yourself. Measure yourself. Make a calendar. And by Monday, first, by tonight, tomorrow morning, don't text me today. Don't text me today because I want to respect the East Coast. Tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, let me know if you're in. I create a group and we do it. It's a lot of work for me, but we will do it together. Thumbs up, everybody. So today we will skip pranayam and I have a special treat for you. Minal, where are you? Minal is going to sing a beautiful song and I'm going to spotlight Minal. Minal, you need to show yourself.
Excuse me, where do we send you that we want to register for this?
On the group.
On the group, in the group, or separate to you? Oh.
No, in the group. I want others to get inspired. So
Okay.
in the group only. And my India group will post it on the India group. America group will post it on the America group. Suhas, I missed you. I'm so happy to see you. And spotlight for everyone. Ready, Minal?
We want Mihir Bhai too.
Next time. Definitely we will plan it. Today.
He's there. He's there.
I know.
We
But-
want Mihir.
Today the highlight is Minal. This is a special request song by me to Minal. From me, and I requested it to Minal. So can everybody see Minal?
Yes.
Yeah, but we can hear her yet.
No, that's fine. Give her some time. She's fixing it. But if everybody can see.
Yes,
Can you hear me?
yes.
Yes.
Okay. Preeti, thank you so much for thinking about me and giving me this opportunity to sing. Really appreciate it. And this song, everybody is very much familiar with it. It has beautiful wordings and it reflects the meaning of life. Hope you all like it. एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है। La 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 la, la 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 la। कुछ पाकर खोना है, कुछ खोकर पाना है। जीवन का मतलब तो आना और जाना है। दो पल के जीवन से एक उम्र चुरानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है। तूफान को आना है, आकर चले जाना है, बादल है कुछ पल का, छाकर ढल जाना है, परछाइयाँ रह जाती निशानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है। Thank you, everyone.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Awesome, boy.
Very nice, Meenal.
Very
Love-
nice.
Nice singing.
Excellent.
Thank
So,
you.
my dear ladies, this life coaching is just not for me. Any talent you have, anything you want to share, please come forward and share. I know Suhas is a good singer. I know Neeta from India is a good singer. If any talent you have, with that also I want to tell you personally, if you are having any personal problems, if you need to share with me, if you need any guidance, I am there. Any help you need, I can coach you. I can find the right sources. Anything you need. If there is if you're suffering with depression, if you have lack of confidence, reach out to me. We will help you. We will hold each other's hand. We will help
અરે
you.
અહીંયા આગળ લગાડો જો. મેં જોયું બને એડ ઉપર છે જ નહીં આ ખૂણામાં છે એક.
Okay. Okay. Thank you all, my dear ladies. Thank you all for coming. Meenal, thank you very, very much. It was a very hard time.
Thank you.
Very well sung.
Thank you.
Very, very nice singing. Yeah. Thank you.
ભાભી enjoyed it. It was awesome. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Preeti.
Thank you. It was too good.
I know you are a very good singer, so you are next. You pick a
Thank
song.
you. Yeah. Sure. Let me know which song I have to prepare.
Okay.
Meenal,
you-
thanks. Yeah, I can sing it one. It's fine.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you all. And
Thank
I look forward only if you're 100% sure of commitment, then only sign up. It's okay if you don't sign up too, no pressure. But you got to be 100% commitment. Thank you all. I need to go for a dinner with my daughter's in-laws, so I'm late. Love you all. Bye.
Thanks, Preeti. Bye.
Thank you,
everybody.
everybody.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Preeti.
Thank you. Preeti. Thank